Hello, I'm Adams from class DKF 5D section 4. So I would like to present about what are steel structure. So a structure which is made from organized combination of structural steel, member designed to carry load and provide adequate rigidity. And secondly, steel structure involve a substructure or member in a building made from structural steel. There are three example picture of steel structure design. So we go to next slide. So element in a steel structure member is a physically distinguishable part of structure with independent structural function like member element, cable, beam and section and another. So we go to next slide. So what advantage of using steel in structure? So number one is high strength. Number two is the high ratio of strength to the weight. And number three is excellent ductility and seismic resistance. Number four is withstand extensive deformation without failure even under high tensile stress. And number five is elasticity, uniformity of material. And number six is predictability of properties close to design assumption. And the last one is ease of fabrication and speed of erection. So we go to the next. The specific strength is material strength, force per unit area at failure divided by density. It is also known as the strength to weight ratio of or strength weight ratio in fiber or textile application, as you can see in the schedule has given. So to the next slide is what is important in the steel structure. Steel structure is facilitate ease of fabrication and faster erection of structure. Bolt and welding employed for joining. Okay, to the next slide. What is the advantage of using steel in a structure? Number one is susceptibility to corrosion. Number two is maintenance cost or thin wall structure. Number three is loss to strength at elevated temperature. Number four is fireproofing cost. Number five is susceptibility to buckling. Number five is fatigue and brittle fracture. Okay, now we go to the next slide. How we know when and where we use the steel structure. We can see is how we know. Number one is long span structure. Number two is multi-story and high-rise building. Number three, building of heavy-duty planes. Number four is tower and mast structure. Number five, portal frame. Number six, bridge. Number seven, infrastructure. Number eight is the deployable structure. Number nine is generalized structure, mechanical. So in general term, number one, rivet are permanent mechanical fastener. Before being installed, a rivet consists of a smooth cylindrical shaft with a head on one end. Number two, a panel joint is a point of connection between two or more members of a truss, also called a nut. Number three, a grider is a support beam used in a construction. Girders often have an I-beam cross-section for the strength. And the last one, a pin and hanger assembly by used to connect two plate girders of bridge. These assemblies are used when the space between two bridge piers is too wide to be spanned by a single set of girders. So all of that are my presentation.